Today we're unboxing the Jonathan Acuff Finish Journal, and I really liked his book Finish, and I was super excited to see a journal come out. Now, just talking about if you want to make your own journal, a tactic he did that Seth Godin did was he partnered with a firm that already is well known and people love their notebooks. So Seth Godin partnered with Moo Notebooks, and it looks like Jonathan Acuff partnered with Lectern. Now, the difference in price is about double. So if you bought a Lectern 1917 notebook all by itself, it would cost about $16.50, and the Jonathan Acuff version is $29.95. Although it was closer to $50 because I ended up paying like $3 for taxes, $15 for shipping. So by that time it was like almost $50. So, but it's up to you, like if this is something you really like. And unfortunately, it's not available on Amazon Prime because that would have saved me a ton of money. But maybe in the future, as he gets more popular, it will be. Who knows? But typically these, you know, the Moo Notebooks, the Lecterns come with a hardbound top. They have thick pages. They have dot grid journals inside, the elastic band, a little folder in the back, and that's kind of what the quality that people are looking for when they are paying a premium price for a journal. So just something to think about if you would like to follow the same path, which I think is a really great idea. So I've done a lot of talking. Let's just go ahead and look inside and see what you get. No clue what Premier Collectibles is, but clearly that's the fulfillment center they use. And I don't know why it says autographed, because this is not autographed, or at least I hope it isn't. I know some people like love autographed books. I actually dislike them and prefer never to have anything that's autographed. I don't know why. I am not strong enough to open this box. Vibrant. So we have a belly band around here. It's actually shaped kind of odd. This belly band has this extra big thing on it. So it just has the ISBN, lots of boring information. So I don't know. I find it interesting when you get things shipped to you with the belly band, because this is more for retail. So I don't know that you'd need it in person. Okay, so we have Lectern, who makes these journals. This is just telling you the different sizes that Lectern makes. Not this journal only comes in one size. And again, it's a thank you from Lectern. All right, so here we go. We have Jonathan, about him, his website. You put your name, and then goals aren't easy, but they are simple. Introduction. I read 100 books 1 year, one year ever in his whole life. He read 100 books and he ran 1,000 miles. I know what you're thinking, is 1,000 miles a lot? Because I wanted to add that up. So with my running, and I used to run like 6 days a week. I run 20 miles, like 22, let's say 22 miles a week. That's 3 times 6. Am I doing that right? Hey, Google. That's the equivalent of 1,000 miles. So in case you were wondering, and I'm a slow runner. And so I like that it has little motivational things throughout here. Every goal is based on 4 simple factors: results, actions, time, motivation. I know, are you getting worried? It sounds like those lame SMART goals, right? But I do appreciate that there's some direction in here. I think it's worse if there's like a goal book with no direction on how to make your goals, or what to think about them, or what mindset to be in. So I do appreciate that. And make your results specific. Yeah, that's the evil SMART goals coming back in. I will lose 10 pounds. Yeah, 100,000%, 1,000,000%. I know, can I get any more? I disagree with this. I think that's awful. I will write 5 pages. Again, I'm not into the SMART goals. As you know, I'm anti-SMART goals. But I did like the Jonathan Acuff book just about finishing something versus the concept of just starting. And write a few statements. Okay, actions, this journal, a pen, a ruler. Oh, we have a orange. That's interesting. It's orange and gray. I guess this is like more orange. Maybe I'm colorblind. I don't know. It looked red on the site, and in fact, it said it was going to be red, but it totally looks orange now that I have it in real life. Okay. I don't know what this is. Blossoming and Brushing and flossing 3 times. Is this per week? I hope this is not per week. This must be per day. Drinking a goal through the finished journal. Oh no, taking a goal. When did I say drinking? Let's move on to your actions. Yeah, this is straight up orange. It's like a gray and orange color. And yeah, this is like orange. Anyways, okay, write chapters becomes write for 1 hour or write 100 words. Okay, I like that. I can do time-based writing. Collect ideas, spend 15 minutes brainstorming, or collect 3 ideas. All right, I'm down with these suggestions or examples. Time, optimistic lies. Yeah, that is totally true. But 71%, that's more than twice as many. What day will I work on my goal? What hour will I work on my goal? Where will I work on my goal? I don't even know what that, oh, guess what percentage of students had to come up with a plan finished? Oh, 2 students would work on essays over the holiday break. Okay, so again, I never believe statistics, so we'll just take that with a grain of salt. My home is I want my home office in the red chair. The coffee shop is also too vague. I want the 2nd floor of the coffee shop in the chair that makes me sit up straight. Well, it's a public coffee shop, so I feel like you might be setting yourself up for failure because sometimes seats aren't always available. Just saying. Okay, taking a goal through the finished journal. All you have to do is answer these questions. What day will I work on my goal? I will write for 1 hour on Tuesday. What hour will I work on my goal? I will write for 1 hour on Tuesday, November 18th at 6 a.m. Where will I work on my goal? Oh, this is good. What, where, when, where? Okay, I will write for 1 hour on Thursday at the corner table of my favorite coffee shop. Okay, let's see. Motivation. Spend a few minutes and write 5 to 10 things about your goal that will motivate you. All right, go ahead, goal, my motivation portfolio. Finishing always takes 4 factors: results, actions, time, motivation. Okay, so here we go. Action, and this looks kind of like a habit tracker. But I mean, I guess it could work if writing is your goal. We get some blank pages. And I do love that the pages are dot grid, which is my favorite. I definitely am 100% anti-lined pages. Be brave enough to be bad at something new. Okay, some more. All right, so it looks like the rest of the book is just a quote, and then you get 3 or 4 pages of dot grid, and I think that's it. So that's a little confusing, right? Like, I guess it's just a notebook now, because it doesn't really tell you. So we started out really, I guess, just examples. It didn't even have space for you to write down your goals. Yeah, it didn't. So basically we get a little bit of a synopsis of the book finished, like tiny, like minuscule. And then we just get quotes with some dot grid. So basically it's just a notebook. That's how we get to the end. And I think this is it's a lectern thing. It has nothing to do with him. We got a file folder here at the back and elastic band. And that's it.